What might be some other common defense strategies that can be used in these types of cases? Attorney Jared Allen explains. In drug cases, there is often the question of who they belong to, where they were found. If the drugs can be closely tied to the individual charged, then in Arizona law, they have what is sometimes called the actual possession, where something is in your possession or in your immediate control. Then there is constructive possession, which is not in your immediate possession. However, you could exercise control over it, you could have some awareness of it. That can be attributed as possession to you. Those are the cases where the individual did not know that these drugs were there. For example, when there are a few people in a car and there are some drugs in the back seat or under the back seat, when several people in the car could have access to them, it becomes a question of who knew about it. Could you see it? Was it in plain view, etc.? Some of these facts contribute towards the defense in cases like that, and in sales cases, oftentimes people are charged with sale, even with a small amount of drugs. Based on other factors, like if the drugs are divided up into smaller packages, presence of any type of cash, maybe a scale for weighing drugs. These things are typically considered what they call indica of drug sales. However, they do not always mean that is what was happening. Sometimes the defense to that can be the small amount of drugs or money, the fact that sometimes it can be a couple of friends that are sharing drugs among themselves. In those cases, there needs to be an exploration into exactly what the relationships between the parties are, how much of the drugs we are talking about, and how much of the indica of drug sale actually resulted in the potential for selling drugs in the case, as opposed to just being a way that friends are sharing or giving drugs to one another. If you want to win your case, contact attorney Jared Allen in Phoenix, Arizona today. With an impressive past record in criminal defense and DUI defense, you can be rest assured that the choices he helps you make will lead to an improvement in your situation.